Hi, this is Brett from CarOracle. We are a licensed auto broker in the state of California, and today I want to touch on EVs. And we've seen a lot of headlines that EV sales of pace of growth has slowed, and I just want to touch on that from a dollars and cents perspective for people in California. So regular unleaded as of this taping is $5.20 a gallon here in Southern California. So let's just extrapolate that and look at a traditional three-row SUV like a Kia Telluride, a Chevy Traverse, a Honda Pilot that's getting around 21 miles a gallon overall, maybe 22 miles a gallon overall. Your annual fuel costs at 12,000 miles a year, assuming 55% around town, 40% highway, your annual fuel costs are $2,850 to $2,950 just in fuel. Now, if we look at a Kia EV9, the EV three-row SUV that, frankly, I haven't seen too many of on the road, which is surprising, because it's an EV, assuming we're charging overnight at home, overnight charge rates, let's assume that for the same 12,000 miles, the annual fuel costs are $700. So we're talking about a savings of $180 a month, and if you're driving more than 12,000 miles a year, it's even more than that. So I wanted to just throw that out there because I think that's getting lost in the EV discussion, the savings, actual dollar savings that's going on in fuel. Next logical question is, well, wait a second, aren't the EVs more expensive? They are. However, with the current incentives, we're seeing leases on the EV9 come in at the same rate or within a stone's throw of a Telluride. So then you're apples to apples in payments, roughly, and you're getting a savings of, the fuel savings of, let's say, upwards of $200 a month. So you have that offset. Insurance might be a tad higher on the EV, but then you're also offsetting it with lower maintenance costs. This is just one of the reasons why a lot of people reach out to CarOracle and when they're in the market for a vehicle. We're happy to discuss all available options out there, looking at it from different angles and structure the deal in the best way that suits your needs. Please reach out to us if we can be of assistance. Thank you.